Assalamualaikum. I am Taofir Shuvo. Welcome to my video class. As a textile engineer and as a teacher, today I am going to discuss about a topic that is called problems of implementing modern technology in spinning sector. That means if we implement modern technological machineries or modern machineries, so what are the problems that we may face? So at first, at a glance, you can see that there are four problems. Those are higher machinery cost, higher maintenance cost, worker unrest or labor resistance, and finally jobless or labor's job loss. So these are some problems that we will face if we are going to implement modern technology in spinning sector. But we know that in spinning sector, modern technology is a must. Without this modern technology, modern machines, modern software, we cannot produce bulk product. So let's have a close look to the problems that we face during implementation of modern technology in spinning sector. The first and foremost problem is higher setup cost. If we are going to implement modern technology or modern machineries, then we need to cost a lot of money for this modern machineries, which may suitable for the big scale business, but not for the small scale production or small scale business of spinning. So this is a problem. The second problem is higher maintenance cost. So if I am buying latest software, I know that we should face several bugs, and by updating that software several times, the bugs are removed. Like that, in modern technology of spinning sector, higher machineries face bugs sometimes. So it needs maintenance, and the maintenance cost is also high. So as we knew in the previous that the higher machinery cost, and after that here comes the higher maintenance cost. So it is rarely possible for small business to run such modern technology in spinning sector. So these are some problems or limitations. After that, here comes the third problem is labor's resistance. We know that most of the laborers in spinning mill or garments industry are illiterate people. They do not want to learn latest technology because they find it offensive. Sometimes they find it more difficult. This is why if I want to implement modern technological machineries in my spinning industry, the labor unrest may rise. So this is a huge problem. After that, the final problem is labor's job loss. Yes, this is so true. If we are going to implement modern machineries or modern technology in our spinning sector, spinning industry, many workers may lose their job because a machine can do the work of 5 to 10 people. So why should I keep those people in my industry where my machine is doing their work? So if we are going to implement modern technological machineries in our spinning sector, most of the workers may lose their job, and this may cause a huge problem of worker unrest against my spinning factory. So we have to keep these problems or limitations in mind. So how can we overcome these problems? Because if I am going to run a spinning business, I must have to buy modern machineries and modern technologies for my production for my bulk production, for my greater profit. But we must face these difficulties. So how we can overcome these difficulties? We must overcome these difficulties in some way, but not today. I am going to describe this and discuss on this solution of such problem in my next class. Thanks for today. Assalamu alaikum.